Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this absolutely awesome, beautiful, super sturdy, smart padlock which I got from the seller to show you a super solid one, very modern one, even waterproof for outside usage. And this thing is super massive. I hope you can hear that. Everything super solid metal, and it's even a beauty, not too large, not too small, but with a really solid hook here, almost impossible to cut, and it's very easy to use. Comes with a default password. By the way, after the video, of course, I will reset everything, so none of the passwords which I'm using now will work later. That's very important to know, so I can show you everything here. And so let's start with the factory password as a demonstration. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see you can easily open and then close it again. Instantly closed, no additional buttons needed. Also not for opening, nothing to start, nothing at the end, just the correct 6 digits. And to add up to 10 different passwords, we also have to enter this same factory password or the current password, and then we press 6 times the 9, and then we press the new password. That was the reverse order of the factory password. And so I'm locking this again. And so let's test if the old password is still working. Yes, definitely works. New password, is it also working? Yeah, also works. Absolutely amazing. And so we can add up to 10 different passwords. If you want to delete a password, which I'm going to do after the video, of course, I'm going to delete all these passwords. For that, we have to use the 7. So for example, I'm going to delete the second password, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 6 times the 7 here. And now I have to press the old password which I want to delete as a confirmation. Now we have green. Now let's see what's going to happen. Let's try this here again. You can see it's not working anymore, but only, for example, the factory password, that's still working. So you can easily add and remove these lock combinations. Super easy, can be used really nicely here inside, outside. And so I've deleted now all the passwords which I've been showing you. I can prove that here for you. 1 to 6 not working, 6 down to 1, same thing, not working. So none of the passwords I've been showing to you is now working. Batteries are already inserted, and so we can just pull out the plastic to start using it. I think battery runtime is about 1 year, and so after that we can just open. You can see needs couple of button cell batteries, easy to open, easy to close, comes with a magnetic screw. Yeah, super easy. I absolutely love it, super solid. Yeah, an absolute awesome thing. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this lock, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.